8 major global investment banks have raised their average 2026 economic growth forecast for Korea to 3%, with the upward revision largely attributed to record-breaking June semiconductor exports.
해외 주요 투자은행 8곳이 제시한 올해 한국 성장률 전망치가 전보다 오른 평균 3.0%로 집계됐습니다. 이 같은 상향 조정에는 지난달 우리나라 반도체 수출이 사상 최대를 기록한 점이 작용한 것으로 보입니다. Alright, so we've been talking about semiconductors, exports of those, of course doing extremely well for Korea. And now investment banks across the world are taking note and saying that's why Korea is forecast to have a better economic recovery than before.
That's right. So major global investment banks, they have raised their average forecast for the nation's economic growth to 3% for 2026. And it's the first time it has reached that level. And of course, as we mentioned, it's driven by booming AI-related semiconductor exports. The outlook has steadily improved from 2.0% at the end of last year, with JP Morgan raising its forecast the most to 3.7%, while Citibank increased its projection to 3.5%. The upgrades follow record monthly exports that surpassed $102 billion in June, fueled by strong chip demand. The Bank of Korea is also expected to raise its current 2.6% growth forecast in its revised outlook next month.
네, 반도체 얘기 참 많이 하죠. Semiconductor exports. 근데 이 반도체 수출이 1,000억 달러를 돌파했다는 소식도 얼마 전에 전해드렸는데 이런 호조에 힘입어 글로벌 주요 인베스트먼트 뱅크 투자은행들이요. 일제히 우리나라의 경제 성장률 전망치를 올렸습니다. 뭐 어디는 이제 3% 정도, 어디는 뭐 3.7% 그래서 다 조금씩 차이는 있지만 평균적으로는 3%라고 내다보고 있네요. 이게 이제 6개월 전에 비해서는 한 1%포인트 상향 조정됐다고 볼 수 있습니다.
Yes.
Right, this is a 상향 조정, upward revision.
Right, right. So revision is when you're making corrections or when you're fixing something, and when it's an upward revision, that means that it's gone up.
Yeah.
So it's the act of increasing a previously estimated value, forecast, or target.
Yeah. So a downward revision would be 하향 조정.
Yes. So the opposite direction.
Exactly. Revision이라는 게 이런 수정의 의미, 조정의 의미가 있어서요. Upward revision. What about to attribute A to B?
So that means you're regarding something as being caused by, created by, or belonging to a particular person, thing, or event. So this can be used when you're identifying the creator, source, or origin of something.
A를 B 덕분으로 본다. A 덕분에, B 덕분에 A가 이렇게 됐습니다. 여기서는 이제 6월 달에 반도체 수출 호조가 있었기 때문에 그래서 아마 이렇게 인베스트먼트 뱅크들이 상향 조정을 한 것으로 보여진다는 거죠.
Yep.
So this revision is largely 대체적으로 attributed to the June semiconductor exports.
Yeah.
다시 한번 읽어보겠습니다. 8 major global investment banks have raised their average 2026 economic growth forecast for Korea to 3%, with the upward revision largely attributed to record-breaking June semiconductor exports. Now let's move on to the second headline.